welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm really excited about. I'm very, very excited. I got my FabFitFun box in the mail. Here you go. So I wanted to share that with you. I have opened it only for the fact I couldn't wait. So I got it on Saturday and I ended up opening it last night. By that point, my hair was in a bun and I had my jammies on and it just wasn't the time. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you. I haven't even used products. I opened it, looked at everything and put it back in to share with you. So I'm going to go ahead and go through that today. If you're new to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe and that you give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. And I would love to have you come back and visit me again. So, all right, let's go ahead and get into it. FabFitFun, in case you're unaware, let's get into that. FabFitFun, let me tell you a little bit about the company. I have been a subscriber or a member, or I have subscribed, I have been, whatever, since 2015. So I have been doing FabFitFun for a very, very long time. Now I'm new to YouTube, but I'm an old has-been with FabFitFun, and I love it. It's my favorite. Now I've done other subscription boxes in the past, and I've actually ended up canceling all of them for various reasons, whether it was all samples, they never sent me what I wanted, or like they would advertise certain brands or whatever and I would never get those brands. Whatever it was, I ended up canceling those. The reason that I haven't ever thought, the thoughts never crossed my mind to cancel FabFitFun is because I get great things. And it's well worth the money. It's every season, so you get 4 boxes a year. Each box is $49.99. Now I do have a code that I'm going to put right here for you. That will give you $10 off your first box. When I started with YouTube, they were the first company I contacted to be an affiliate with, because I wanted you to experience how great this is and enjoy it as much as I do. I look forward to these boxes coming in the mail. It's always, and I leave it to be a surprise. They let you on the website when it says it's shipped, you can click and it'll reveal your box, and I don't ever do that. I want it to be a surprise. I just feel like these boxes would make a great Christmas gift for any woman. They would make a great Christmas gift for yourself. So it's a great thing to tell your husband to get for you for Christmas or birthday or something, and then you're getting something all year. They're just a great thing to get. It's a great way also just to treat yourself. We do a lot as women for other people, and it's a great little treat to get in the mail 4 times a year. I look forward to it personally, and I've actually found brands that I might not have ever tried had it not been for FabFitFun. So I've received a lot of really cool things for the home. I've received, I say clothing, but I mean more like scarves or tote bags and that sort of thing. Beach towels, makeup products or health and beauty products, things to use when I'm working out. Just some really cool things. So I'm going to share with you what's in my box. Links are in the description box for FabFitFun. And again, if you use that code that I put down there, you'll get, and they'll be in the description box as well, but it'll give you $10 off. So it's a great value when you think about it and you break it down into everything you get. Now, again, my box was $49.90, $95, $99, something like that. My box this season, I always want to say month. So if I say month, ignore me, it's season. But my box this season for fall, which last I checked, fall boxes are still available. So if you want to get a box for fall, you can do that. Just don't delay. Hop on it. Otherwise, you'll get you'd be able and eligible to get the winter box. Okay, moving on. So for my $49.95 that I paid, my boxes were $303.98. Now I have my first thing that you get in the box. Now again, I told you I opened this, is you get this magazine, which is really nice. It has articles in here. This month it has Christina Applegate in there. It has a watch list. It has recipes. It has how to use products that are in the box. It's just it's a nice little resource and gives you nice tips and that sort of thing. So I always enjoy these little magazines that come in here. But it also gives you kind of a cheat sheet of what's in your box or what you could have been sent. Sometimes there's options, and I'll tell you as I go through this if there was an option of what the other option might have been, because every box is kind of a little bit different, which kind of makes it fun. Okay, all right, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to go ahead and open the box. Now, I showed you the outside of the box, and let me show you the inside, because it's just as beautiful. And it comes in tissue paper. Now, I had a little leaf, and of course, I ripped it. But they're beautiful boxes, and always decorated so nicely, and so lovely for the seasons. So, I always look forward to see how they're going to decorate the box for the month, because you never know what it's going to look like. I'm going to scoot back. I'm going to get comfortable, get some coffee, and I'm going to share with you what's in my little box. All right, the first thing that I got, and this is standard in everyone's box, $14.99, and they're dish towels for the kitchen. So real pretty gray stripe, gray and white, just real pretty. So I love dish towels. I have a slight obsession with the dish towel scene. So, all right, the other thing I got were 2 Glam Glow. These are bubble sheet masks. Okay, the dish towels I told you, $14.99. Okay, these are $18 for the 2. I mean, I don't think they're 18 a piece. I believe they're 18 for the 2. So these are really nice, and I can't wait to use these. The person that loves, funny story, the person who loves to do face masks with me is my 16-year-old son. So actually I'm going to do these with him. I might do a video on it. I don't know, because it's always a good time. It's a good time. So anyway, I got these and I thought of him instantly. So anytime I can get him to do a mask and stuff, I try to do that. Okay, moving on. A beauty blender. Now these retail for $20. I got the black one. I kind of wanted to try the black one. I'm not sure how I feel about the black one, but I got a black one and I really needed a new one, so I'm excited about this. I'm sure you all know what a beauty blender is. You dampen it, you get it wet, and then you wring it out so that almost all the water is just damp, and then it helps with your foundation and makes it look like it's completely airbrushed. So great for people, especially like me, who likes a thinner foundation. I can use a full coverage foundation and thin it out perfectly, especially in the fall and winter. So it was perfect timing. So got that. I got this Skin and Company Blue In Capri Body Wash. It says as a tip, you can also use it as bubble bath. The scent of this is wild sage, lemon, and alpine rose. And I did slice the top of it because it's sealed to smell it, and you can really smell it's very fresh. It's like a lemony sage. You can definitely smell the lemon and sage. I don't really smell, like way off in the distance, maybe the rose, so it's not a strong rose scent if you don't like that. Very nice, and I can't wait to try this. I'm hoping it's moisturizing because I don't want anything that's going to dry out my skin. So that'll be something new to try. As a sponsored product, they actually put a coupon in here as well, and they do this as well, but sometimes they'll have a sponsored product. It's the Luna bars, and it's the Luna Risa. I hope I'm saying that right. And I got the salted caramel nut bar. So there's no price involved. It's just a sponsor of FabFitFun box. So we got that. The other thing I got, now this is an or product, so you either got this or something else. Okay, I got this, and it's a little travel case, and I opened 2 of the brushes so you could kind of see. These ones haven't been opened yet, but these are eye brushes. There's an angle brush, a flat eyeshadow brush, a fluffy brush, and a bigger eyeshadow brush, and then 2 face brushes. These are by Crown. They're the Crown Brush 6-piece brush set. You either got the black and silver or a black and rose gold. So I obviously got the silver. This was $75 value. So You can see you get very good quality items in these boxes. They're not sending you junk. The other item that you might have gotten or would get, whatever, however you want to look at it, Vince Camuto Luck Tote in black or red desert, and it retailed for $128. So there's that. So I'm really excited to use these. I wanted to use these this morning when I got ready so bad. They're so soft, but I waited because I wanted to share with you first. So I'm going to put this away, but I can't wait. Tomorrow I'm using my new brushes. And then who doesn't ever need a travel case? Anytime you travel, that's phenomenal to have. Now this is something okay. So another thing is they will send you email when you're getting close to, they're getting close to start putting your box together. And you can actually customize, and I hate doing that, but customize your box. They'll give you a couple options. This is an item that I requested. So the choice was a teapot for $26 or this Alfred French press for $22. I have teapots and that sort of thing, but I've always wanted to try a French press. So I was really excited about this. So it comes in this nice box. And then this is, I'm going to set that down. This is what the French press looks like. And it's beautiful. It's going to look gorgeous. Sorry about the glare of the lights, but it's going to look gorgeous on my counter. So I can't wait to try French press coffee. I'm going to have to Google it because I don't know how to do it. But I'm really excited about that. I just think that that's so lovely and beautiful. And I can't wait to try French press coffee. Okay, the other thing is another Or product. You either got a Catherine Milandro umbrella for $39.99 or the Cyclo Cobra Bluetooth wireless earbuds in black or white. Now I got the white ones. Oh, I'm showing you the back. That was lovely. But there you go. And they have the controls on the little piece and they're wireless. And I love those. I can actually, at work when I want to drown out any noise or anything like that, I can even use those at work. So I'm really excited about those. Okay, this was a three choice. The next two things are a three choice, if you will. The Grown Alchemist. You either got the exfoliant for $67, the day cream for $49, or the creamy cleanser for $49. I got the exfoliant, and it has grapefruit in it for $67. Now, I haven't smelt this yet. Oh, it's one of those. It has the little thing, and then you put it like backwards, and it'll cut it. So I'm not going to do that yet. I have another exfoliator I'm using, but as soon as I use all of that, I'm going to try this. So I'm really excited about that. And the writing, like it's upside down if you put it this way. Does that make sense? But then I just think it's a little bit unique and I like it. And the box is kind of unique, the writing and stuff. I just thought it was neat, and I've never tried this product or this brand. So I'm really excited to do that. Oh, it has a save 20% plus shipping. It has a little coupon inside the box, which is, some of these companies that do this, that give to FabFitFun or do their products in here, will do little things like that and give you discounts if you purchase their items from their website. So it's free from skin aging toxins and carcinogens. There we go. No lauryl sulfite, no petrochemicals, no artificial fragrance, no nitrosame releasers, no DEA, no TEA, no parabens, no paraffins, no synthetic colors, no glycols. So pretty clean company. I'm pretty excited to try that out, see how that goes. Okay, the last thing I have in my box, again, you had a choice between three things. You either got the Pharmacy Do It All Total Eye Cream, the Cusio Somology Detox Bath. I got the Touch and Soul Metalist Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo in Penny. I actually have one of the colors on. So here's the packaging, which again I love, with the lips on it. I love this packaging. I got it at Penny. Again, I've never tried this brand, but I will tell you, this lipstick has lasted almost all day. I did touch it up a slight bit when I got home, but I've eaten lunch and drank my coffee and all that. But they're gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Boy, that shows up nice. That is a true representation of the colors. So, and this product was $24.99. So there's everything that was in my fall FabFitFun box. Again, if you like FabFitFun and you've never been a subscriber, go check out their website. Use my link. Check them out. If you're interested in purchasing, make sure you use that code at checkout and you'll get $10 off your first box. You're not locked in. It's not like you have to do it for a full year or anything like that. But do it and you'll see the products that you get are phenomenal. They're great quality, name brand items. There are celebrities and everything that swear by FabFitFun. It's one of the best subscription boxes out there. It's the highest rated one. So anyway, I wanted to share that with you. I hope you enjoy the code. I hope that helps for you. And if you have any questions about FabFitFun, you can't find the answer, let me know. I'll try to get the answer for you, or I might even know the answer because I've been with them for so long. So, all right. Well, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much for being with me today. I really appreciate it. Have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye.